This garlic lemon air fryer chicken is crispy, juicy, and ready in minutes. And yes, it's super easy. Welcome back to the Yummy Vibes. Let's get cooking. First, take your chicken pieces and make small square cuts like these. This helps the masala go deep inside and makes the chicken extra flavorful. Now add 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon paprika for color, and 1 teaspoon garlic salt plus seasoning mixture. Mix everything well. This is a light, healthy air fryer chicken recipe. Place the chicken on the air fryer tray and lightly spray some oil so it stays juicy. Now sprinkle half of the masala on top. We'll use the rest later. Next, fill those cuts with freshly chopped garlic for that amazing flavor. Preheat the air fryer at 180 degrees for 3 minutes. Now let's place our chicken into the air fryer tray. Then cook the chicken at 180 degrees for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, flip the chicken. Spray a little oil again and add the remaining masala on this side as well. Air fry again for 7 minutes. Now for the lemon butter glaze, in a small pan add half teaspoon oil and half teaspoon butter. Let it melt and turn off the heat. Add 2 teaspoons lemon juice, a pinch of red chili and a little salt. Brush this mixture on the chicken and air fryer for 3 minutes. Flip once more, add the lemon butter mix on the other side and air fry again for 3 minutes. And that's it. Garlic lemon air fried chicken, perfectly juicy and full of flavor. Serve it with mint coriander chutney, onions, and a squeeze of lemon. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Yummy Vibes for more quick and easy tasty recipes.